Now students, see here, answer the following. The first question is, what is the smallest and the highest unit of length? The smallest length, we know already what is the smallest and what is the highest. So here smallest, first he is asking smallest length millimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit and the highest unit is kilometer. Millimeter and kilometer, millimeter and kilometer. Smallest unit, smallest length, millimeter, and largest or highest, largest length kilometer. So the smallest length is millimeter and the largest length is kilometer. Okay. Now here the second question, which unit of length is 100 times less than 1 meter? 100 times less than means in centimeter. 1/100th part of a meter is a centimeter. So 100 times less means that is centimeter. Centimeter is 100 times less than meter. Centimeter is 100 times less than meter. 100 times less than a meter. Now, in the second bit, so blanks are given. 1 kg. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? How many grams make a kg? So that already we will learn. So 100 grams. 100 grams make 1 kg. How many grams? Not 100 grams. 1000 grams. 1000 grams make 1 kg. How many? 1000 grams. Here 1000 grams make 1 kg. Okay. Now 100 meters is equal to what? 100, not 100, here 1000, sorry. So 1000 meters make 1 dash. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters. Here the next bit is what he has given, see here. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? How many millimeters make 1 centimeter? 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. This also we learn. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So this is about, so what for the first question, smallest and highest units of length given, that is smallest units, metric units are millimeters and largest metric units in length is kilometer. Okay. Now, so length 100 times less, which one is 100 times length in 1 meter? So that is centimeter. Centimeters are 100 times less than 1 meter. Okay. Then in the blanks, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay students. Okay. So now the students see here next topic. So the conversion of the measures of higher to lower units. Higher to lower units. Then how to convert higher units to lower units. So here the first question, the length of my table is 6 meters and 60 centimeters. In your textbook it is given 5 meters. So make it as 6 meters. 6 meters and 60 centimeters. So this is meters and centimeters. Now what will be its length in centimeters? Now we have to convert this total length of my table in centimeters, not in meters. If it is in meters, then that we have to convert into centimeters. See here. So how to do this one? Here table length is 6 meters and 60 centimeters. First, we know 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. Okay. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Now here 6 meters given. 6 meters is equal to how many centimeters? 6 into 100. 6 into 100, 600 centimeters. 6 meters is 6 into 100, 600 centimeters. This is about 6 meters. but we should convert total 6 meters and 60 centimeters in centimeters. Now we have to take 6 meters 60 centimeters, that is 6 meters how many centimeters, that is 600 centimeters, plus again this 60 centimeters we have to add. 600 plus 60, that is 660 centimeters. So this is the conversion of meters into centimeters, larger units into smaller units, okay, larger units into smaller units, okay. Now in the example 1, so he has given change into meters. Here kilometers are given. Kilometers are larger units. This we have to convert into meters. See here, first 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Then here 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers means 8 into 1000. 8 into 1000, 8000 meters. Now these are the bigger units, larger units that we convert into smaller units. Meters are the smaller units. Then 8 kilometers is equal to 800 meters. The next one. The second example, so convert into centimeters. Here we should convert some meters into centimeters. So what is given here? 38 meters and 10 centimeters. First 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then here 38 meters are given. 38 meters means 38 multiply with 100. 38 into 100, that is 3800 centimeters. Now the complete we should convert into centimeters, that is 38 meters 10 centimeters. What is 38 meters? 38 meters is 3800 centimeters. 3800 centimeters again. So what is given here? 10 more centimeters given. The 10 more centimeters we have to add. So that is 38 meters means 3800 centimeters, and again that plus 10 we should add 10 centimeters. The total is 3800 plus 10, that is 3810 centimeters. So the total, that is 38 meters and 10 centimeters into centimeters, that is 3810 centimeters. These are the bigger or larger units. Then this is the method to convert bigger units into smaller units, okay. Now see students, in example 3, the change into grams, we should change these bigger units, that is 20 kgs 660 grams into grams. So see here, first 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams. This is our solution. 1 kg unit quantity. First we change unit quantity into grams, that is 1 kg. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Then 20 kgs. Now 20 kgs. How many grams? That is 20 into 1000. 20 into 1000, that is 20,000 grams. 20,000 grams. Now this complete 20 kgs and 660 grams we should convert into grams. 20 kg 660 grams is equal to 20 kgs is 20 kgs means 20,000 grams plus this 660 we have to add. So 20,000 plus 660, 20,660 grams. 660 grams. So this is the conversion of kgs into grams. 20 kgs to 660 grams into total in grams, that is 20 kgs 660 grams. Okay. Now here change into milliliters. So here liters and milliliters combination is given. So that complete quantity, so we should convert into milliliters. First unit. unit quantity, so of a liter. 1 liter. 1 liter is how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. Then here how many liters given? 13 liters. First we convert the 13 liters into milliliters. 13 liters is equal to 13 into 1000, that is 13,000 milliliters. Then after that complete we have to take 13 liters 490 milliliters. Then 13 liters already we converted, that is 13,000 milliliters plus this 490 milliliters, 490 milliliters. Then complete how many milliliters? 13,000 plus 490, that is 13,490 milliliters. This is the conversion of 13 liters 490 milliliters in milliliters. Okay. Now in example 5, change into milligrams. Here grams and milligrams combination is given. First, so 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Now here how many grams are given? 15 grams. 15 grams we should convert into milligrams. 15 into 1000, that is 15,000 grams. 15,000 grams. Now so we should take complete 15 grams 240 milligrams. 15 grams 240 milligrams. Then what is 15 grams? 15 grams is 15,000. 15 grams is 15,000. This is milligram, not gram. 15,000 milligrams plus this we have to add 240 milligrams. Now 15,000 plus 240, 15,240, 15,240 milligrams. This is the conversion of a bigger units into smaller units. Okay. Okay students. So now the students see exercise first. So convert into centimeters. Convert into centimeters. Here meters and centimeters given. So that completely we should convert into centimeters. Here first here meters. 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Now here 2 meters given. 2 meters how many centimeters? 2 into 100, that is 200 centimeters. 200 centimeters. Now we should take complete 2 meters 48 centimeters, that is 2 meters means 200 centimeters plus again this 48 we have to add. So that complete in centimeters. 200 plus 48, 248. So this is in centimeter. This is the conversion of meters and centimeters into centimeters. Okay. Now here again meters and centimeters. Again 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Now here 28 meters given. So that means 28 meters is equal to 28 into 100, that is 2800 centimeters. Now we should take complete 28 meters 35 centimeters, that is 28 meters means 2800 centimeters, again plus 35 centimeters we have to add. Then 2835 centimeters. This is conversion complete in centimeters. Okay. Now the next one, the second question, convert into grams. So in grams, complete we should convert into grams. So here kg is given. So 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Here 78 kg is given. 78 kg means 78 into 1000. 78 should multiply with 78,000, that is 78,000 grams. 78,000 grams. Okay. Now, the next question, 48 kgs 361 grams. Then first, so we should take 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Here how many kgs given? 48 kgs. First, that 48 kgs we should convert into grams. Okay. Now 48 kgs. 48 kgs how many grams? That is 48 should multiply with 1000. 48 into 1000, that is 48,000 grams. Okay. Now, so now we should convert complete, that is 48 kg 361 grams is equal to 48 kg means 48,000 grams, and after that how many grams? 361 grams. So this complete we should add. Now 48, that is 48,000 grams and 361 grams. 48,000 plus 361, that is 48,361 grams. So this is complete conversion into grams. Okay, 48,361 grams. Now next, so this is conversion of kgs into grams. Here the conversion of meters, centimeters into complete in centimeters. Now in the third question, convert into liters. Here milliliters and liters given. So this is milliliters. So how to convert into liters? See here. First here this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is thousands place. Whatever thousands place is there after thousands place we take liter. 5 liters. 5,000 place is in liters we should take, and after that 926 milliliters. 5 liters, 926 milliliters here also. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. In the thousands place 7 is there, that means 7 liters. 7, remaining all are zeros, no need to take milliliters. Why? In milliliters place we have zeros. If we have zeros, then no need to take. Other than zeros, if any value is there, so then take in milliliters. Okay. Now here ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. What is there in thousands place? 2, that means 2 liters. 2 liters. The remaining milliliters part, 468 milliliters. Okay. Now in the fourth question, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Thousands place is our liters, that is 3 liters. The remaining are milliliters, 562 milliliters. This is the conversion of milliliters into liters, smaller to bigger units. So these two are bigger to smaller, and the third one smaller units to bigger units. Okay. Okay students. So now students, see here in the fourth question, convert into millimeters. So we have to convert meters and millimeters into completely in millimeters. So we should convert meters, millimeters into millimeters. Okay. So see here how to convert in millimeters. Here meters, 1 meter is equal to how many millimeters? 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. 1000 millimeters. Then 4 meters here given. 4 meters means 4 into 1000, that is 4000 millimeter. 4000 millimeter. Now the complete we have to take. So what is there? 4 meters, 360 millimeters, that is 4 meters means 4000 millimeters plus 360 millimeters, then 4360 millimeters. So complete 4 meters and 360 millimeters into millimeters. 4360 millimeters. Okay. Now 5 meters. 5 meters, how many millimeters? 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. Then 15 meters is how many millimeter means? 15 into 1000. 15 into 1000, 15,000 millimeters. 15,000 millimeters. Now here 5 meters 46 millimeters. 1 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. Then now we have 5 meters. 5 meters means 5000 millimeters. 5 into 1000. Now complete. 5 meters 46 millimeters. That is 5 meters means 5000 millimeters plus 46. Add this 5046 millimeters. Okay. Now 8 meters 5 millimeters. Now 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. Now 18 meters. So about 18 meters. 18 meters is equal to 18 into 1000. 18 into 1000 millimeter. 18 into 1000, 18,000 millimeter. Okay. Now this complete. Now we have to take 18 meters 5 millimeters. 18 meters means 18,000 millimeters and 5 millimeters we have to add. That is 18,005 millimeters. 18,005 millimeters. Now here the convert the following into kilograms. Smaller units are given grams. Then we should convert into kilograms. See here how to convert bigger units into smaller. This is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. This is the thousands place. Now you take thousands place 9 and after that write kilograms. Thousands place is a kilogram and the remaining places are grams. 825 grams. 825 grams. Now here smaller units. Smaller units we should convert into bigger units. But here bigger units we convert into smaller. Here smaller unit we should convert into bigger. Then this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. In thousands place we have 2. That means 2 kg. And the rest of the places grams. 362 grams. This is the conversion of kgs and grams. The complete grams is given. Then how to convert grams into kgs? This is the method to convert grams and kgs and grams. Here smaller units, this is the smaller units conversion of a bigger unit, and here bigger units conversion of a smaller units. Okay, okay students. So now the students next concept is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction involving units of measurements. In the measurement, so how to add and how to subtract. So in this first addition concept we are going to do. So see here in the first example, find the sum of 45 kilometers 72 meters, 45 kilometers 72 meters, and the second one 65 meters, 65 kilometers and 2 meters, 65 kilometers and 2 meters. Here 65 kilometers. Now how to add? First we should arrange this into column. So how to arrange this in columns? See here. So first kilometers we have to write and leave some space and meters here. Kilometers and meters. In the first one 45 kilometers. In the kilometer space, so we should take 45 and 72 meters. So 72 means 072 we have to write. We should write 072. Why we should take 072? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Whenever we are adding kilometers and meters, in the meters place we should get 3 places. Okay, ones, tens, 100. So that is why 3 places we have. Here only 2 places is given, means in hundreds place 0 we should take. Okay. So, this we should remember. Then after that, in the second one, 65 kilometers, 65 kilometers and 2 meters. In the meters we have only 1 digits. So, that 1 digit we keep in one's place of a meter. Then in the remaining 2 places keep zeros. Now add. Okay. 2 plus 2. How to add? Extreme right digit of a meter. So, we have to add. So, from right to left we should add. So, we start from meters ones place, that is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 0, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. The meters part is over. So, these are in meters. 74 meters. Now, kilometers part we have to add. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10. We know 10, that is 10 we should take 0 in the units place of kilometer, and 1 we should take carry over on tens place of a kilometer. Now, after that, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So, means 110 kilometers, 74 meters. This is the addition. So, this is the method to add. This is the method to add kilometers and meters. Now, second method. So, what is the second method of addition? See here, this is the first method, very simple method, very easy method. And here in second method, so what are the units given here? 9 kg, 285 grams plus 75 kg, 3 grams. Okay. Now, so we already know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Then 9 kg, 9 kg, how many grams? 9000 grams. Then 9 kg, 9 kg, 285 grams is equal to 9000 plus 285, that is 9285 grams. First we should convert grams and kilograms into grams. In the same way, 9 kg, here 75 kg. 75 kg is how many grams? 75 kg is equal to 75,000 grams. Now, the second one, 75 kg, 3 grams, that is 75,000 plus 3, that is 75,003 grams. Now, this total, the first one and the second one we converted into grams. Now, how to add? See here, first we should take 9285 grams, this complete in grams. Now, 75,003 grams. Now, add these two. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, the number itself 8. 2 plus 0, 2. Then 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 here and 1 we have to take carry over here. 7 plus 1, 8. 84. 84,288. 84,288. Then how to convert this into grams and kilograms? This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. 1000 and 10,000 places are kilograms. The rest of the places grams. That is 84 kg, 288 grams. This is the method to convert. First, in the second method, what to do? Kgs and grams we should convert it into grams, and after that grams we have to add. After adding grams, again we should convert into kilograms and grams. How? Ones, tens, 100. These three places are grams places, and 1000, 10,000, 10,000 places are kilograms. It means 84 kilograms, 288 grams. Okay? Okay, students.